40 Conoline or lifted van isn't my most searched term. It's this right here. I wanted to make sure this thing still actually started before I made a video about it. I don't think I've started this thing in a year. The gas tank has fuel stabilizer in it. I need to change the oil right now. But yeah, it's either this or the Noco Genius 5 repair mode. That's my most searched term. 40 Conoline is number 3. So you know what that's telling me? You guys want me to become a moto channel. Let me go ahead and do an oil change on this bike. This is a Coleman CT200U, but I believe there's a 200B. I think these were remade. This is the retro style, so Coleman Motorsports, Power Motorsports, something like that. I believe that's what they're called. They redesigned these. It's no longer the retro look. They made it look more like a modern bike. So this is a antique now, but it's the same engine, 96cc, I believe. 96 or 196cc. But mine's stock. It does have ram air that I made myself and a exhaust, but other than that, I haven't tinkered with it. It still only goes 20 miles per hour, but I'm thinking about doing a torque converter instead of the chain, and that gets the top speed up to 40 miles per hour. 20's fast for me anyway. On the dirt it feels fast, but on the road 20 is really slow, so maybe 40 miles per hour. I know people have gotten this up to 70, but I'll probably hurt myself really bad if I get this up to 70. So 40 sounds good. Let's go ahead and change the oil. There's the oil plug right there, 10 millimeter, the size everyone loses. And then you want an adjustable wrench for these notches right here. Adjustable wrench on that notch, and then you just move it up. It's already loose, so I could just do it by hand. Hopefully I don't spill too much, but I have some cardboard there, so oil's heated up a little bit. Look how clean that is. I barely drive this thing. It's a sign that I need to drive this thing more. Van life moto, lifted van life moto. So there's the engine. So you just go down and there's where you drain it. I believe it's a half a quart. That's how much oil is in here. So go ahead and straighten out the bike just to try to get a little more out. There you go. It's draining a little more. And then you could just pick it up from the front, get as much as you can out. If you want to drain it a little bit more, just pick up the bike, get a little more out. Okay, you're gonna drain out about a half a quart. Of course, put a half a quart back in. You'll start seeing it spill a little bit, then just go ahead and close it up. Yeah, it's been a while since I've driven this. 196cc, not 96. 6.5 horsepower. Alright, started right up. Probably ride it around the block. So this is a Coleman CT200U. I got this about 4 years ago. So here's what the Colemans are called now. Coleman B200C, Trailmaster Minibike MB200. I don't think that's a Coleman though. Coleman Powersports B200. So yeah, it's a B200C or a B200 now. And then this looks like an electric Coleman. And that's something else. Let's go to Coleman's official website and see what they're selling. So you could get this at Camping World. This one's at Tractor Supply. I ordered mine from Camping World. They shipped it to me. So here's Coleman's official website. Coleman Powersports. So that's what they call it. B100, that's 105cc. B200C 196, same as my bike. So it looks like they kept the same engine, and it looks like they went with a torque converter stock now, B200R. That looks good. Damn, they look good. Mine's all like antique now. Yo, Juan, are you watching this? Are you still gonna get one? Let's go cruise the desert in our mini bikes if you get one. B200. Let me know in the comments section. Are you guys buying a mini bike? B200RSV. Man, that looks special. So this one looks like the electric one. I like daydreaming on this website, OMB Warehouse. So there's all kinds of power kits. Click off that. Not buying yet. Not yet. So this is a Stage 4 kit for $332. Almost the cost of the bike. But what does it do? This combo has made over 13 horsepower. So double the horsepower. That must be fun. So I'm thinking about it. If you guys continue to keep searching Coleman Minibike on my channel, I'm going to have to use my YouTube funds to upgrade my bike. So if you guys keep showing my Coleman videos love, yeah, let's upgrade this thing. Get it up to 13 horsepower over the 6.5. So let me know in the comments section. Are you going to get a mini bike? Do you already have one? I know Overland Adventure has one, and Ryan has a mini bike, and Tasha. So who else is in the mini bike club? Am I going to be John Ismoto now? So John does everything. Just drove this around the block. I saw a grandpa on a quad with his nephew. It was pretty funny. I waved at him and he waved back. But this thing's a lot of fun. I haven't driven this thing in a year or two. That's why I changed the oil, started it up, and rode it around the block, make sure it still works. But it's a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna get out next weekend, head out to the desert and drive around the desert in this thing. I might order an Instacam like right now, use an Instacam and do a video about this. So this might be a totally different demographic than the people who watch my van content, but I talk about it on my channel. I'm planning on quitting my job in 2026. It is 2026 now, but near the end of this year, and going all in on my YouTube channel, just enjoying life more. So you will see a lot more content on this. Juan, let me know if you're gonna get one, man. We'll head out to the desert, man, and just enjoy life. So this is it right here, one of my most searched topics, Coleman CT200U. It's obsolete now. It's been replaced by more modern, cooler looking frames, but I'll say it, I think the new one looks a lot cooler, but this is what I have. I have no intentions to get anything else, so I'm gonna roll with this. I'm headed to Aspen, Colorado. I could get 70 miles a gallon on this hog.
This guy's gonna take forever to get to Aspen, Colorado.
Six months later.
I made it, guys. I'm in Aspen, Colorado, at a place where the beer flows like wine.